Every day, people are making passive income from the stock market. And if you're not invested yet, you are leaving money on the table. The problem, most beginners have no idea where to start, and the fear of money keeps them stuck. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start investing in stocks step by step without confusion or unnecessary risk. I've analyzed over 100 high-paying dividends and growth stocks in Ghana and the US, and so I know how beginners can start safely building wealth. And make sure you watch till the end of the video because I'm going to reveal the safest beginner stocks and index funds to grow your money starting today. So what exactly is a stock? Think of a small shop in Accra that wants to expand to Kumasi, Takoradi and beyond. To raise money, the owner sells small pieces of the business to investors. Each piece is called a stock, and owning a stock makes you a part-time owner of the company. So when you buy stocks in MTN Ghana, Apple, or Microsoft, you are actually a shareholder, a real owner, even if it's just a tiny fraction. So how to start investing? Step 1, open a brokerage account. In Ghana, apps like Blackstar let you buy both Ghanaian and US stocks. Step 2, deposit money. Transfer from your mobile money or bank account into your brokerage account. Step 3, buy your first stock. Start with a company that you know and trust. When the company grows and profits, your stock value increases. And if the company pays dividends, you will receive cash directly into your account. Yeah, pure passive income that requires no extra work. So best apps to start investing. So for the Ghana Stock Exchange, the apps you can use to start investing are the Blackstar App and IC Wealth App. The Blackstar App allows you to buy both Ghanaian and US stocks. The IC Wealth App allows you to buy only Ghanaian stocks or stocks listed on the Ghanaian Stock Exchange. For US stocks from Ghana, you can use the Blackstar App as it gives you direct access to US companies like Apple, Tesla, and Microsoft. Now, the Bamboo app also allows you to invest in US and global stocks directly from Ghana. For US residents or those with US bank access, you can use the Robinhood, which gives you commission-free trading of US stocks and ETFs, perfect for beginners. You also have access to Webull, which offers advanced charts and zero commission US stock trading. If you are in Ghana without US banking, start with Blackstar or Bamboo. If you have US access, Robinhood and Webull are excellent options for you. Now let's move to how people can get wealthy in stocks. There is no single way to get rich in the stock market, but here are about 4 most common strategies. The first is buying and holding. That is, you buy great stocks and hold for years, even decades. Slow and steady wealth building. The second one is trading. So traders buy and sell frequently to profit from short-term price changes. If you're a beginner, it's not a bad place to start from. Now we move on to the third, which is speculating. For speculators, they invest in smaller, riskier stocks that could skyrocket or can crash. So it's quite risky and usually for more advanced people. The fourth is dividend investing. So what you do in dividend investing is to buy stocks that pay cash regularly, and then you reinvest the dividends to compound your growth. So for beginners, the buy and hold and dividend strategies are typically the safest. They let your money grow without gambling on risky trades. Now we're going to talk about the best stocks, ETFs, and index funds. With thousands of stocks out there, where should a beginner start? So we have big stable companies like MTN, GCB, Bank, Apple, Coca-Cola, they are safer and less volatile. Now, when it comes to the index funds or ETFs, you have a basket of stocks, right? That gives you instant diversification and lower risk, which are also good for beginners. Here are a few popular examples, which is one, the S&P 500 ETF, which is either VOO or SPY. Each of them tracks the 500 largest US companies. So it's a very good option for a beginner. Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, or VTI, also covers almost the entire US market, diversifying and spreading your risks for you. Then we have the World ETF, or iShares MSCI World ETF, which gives you exposure to global companies. So these are excellent for beginners because one investment spreads your risk across many companies. So if you're somebody who is having a problem deciding which company to start investing in, index funds or ETFs are quite a good way to start as a beginner. Now let's talk about investing in REITs. So REITs are called real estate investment trusts. It's another way to earn passive income without buying a single building. Yeah. So REITs are companies that own and manage real estates like apartments, malls, or office spaces. They pay out most of their profits to shareholders as dividends, often quarterly. Some even pay monthly. So some examples include Vanguard Real Estate ETF, which ticker symbol is VNQ, which gives you exposure to US real estate. And also have the Global X Super Dividend REITs ETF. Ticker symbol is SRET, high-end global REITs. And you also have Realty Income Corporation, which is also known as the monthly dividends paying company, whose ticker symbol is O. So if you are a beginner, right, this is the plan you can use. Open a brokerage account. Start with a few safe stock, blue chip stocks, ETFs, or REITs, and grow your wealth step by step. Start small, build the experience, build the knowledge, then you can expand from there. Remember that this is not financial advice. And so consult a financial advisor before you start investing into stocks. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you can also join our class to benefit from the knowledge. See you guys next time.